Good day, investors. Good day, partners. I'm bringing you this live update from Ocean Breeze Estate, located here at Igbo here in Ibejuleki. I want to show you something that, for those of you that are invested, as the clearing is on, something else is also on. As you can see, this is block on site, and I will be showing you something very fantastic. And the thing, it will shock you. Now you can see this, as I'm saying, perimeter fence is about to commence, and we have workers on site already. The perimeter fence is about to commence. Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? And don't forget that the new price now on Ocean Breeze Estate for the latecomers is now 1.3 million naira. 1.3 million naira. As you can see, that is how it is. I'm telling you this, that Ocean Breeze is now with a new share. All right, Honest Global Business Investment Limited, giving you the best offer and deal is our priority. Ocean Breeze, Igbo Ulumi. Here we go.